Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today's video we're going to talk about C++ data types. C++ is a strongly typed language, and this means that every variable must have a specific data type assigned to it. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. We will be uploading more videos of C++ tutorials in the coming days. So C++ is a strongly typed language, and then every data type, every variable that you declare in C++, you must write the data type first, unlike in Python or some other programming languages. So let us start. So when you download the Visual Studio Code and open it, this is the screen that you're going to see first. And when you come to this screen, you can click on create new project, and then this create new project opens the screen, and then you click on empty project and then click on next. Here you write the name of the program you're trying to create. This one we'll call it C++ data types, and create. So here is our C++. So first of all, we go here and under source files, if you hover over add, you're going to see new items, and then here you can leave it as source or CPP, or you can change the name. So here I call it main.cpp. Now first of all, we'll include IOStream. Include IOStream using namespace standard int main return 0. So the main method in C++ always returns 0 because it's an int. It has an int data type, and because it's an int data type, it has to return an int. If you return anything that is not an int, it's going to give an error. So in C++ data types, we have different types of data. We have the integer data type. Under the integer data type, we have the short, and then we have the long. And the short ranges from -32768 to 32767. The short data type. So we have the integer data type, integer data type, and then under the integer data type, and integers are something like, say, minus 10, 0, 42. These are all integers. Okay. And then under the integer data type, we have the short. Short is used to represent smaller integer values. Example, it ranges from -32768 to 32767. 667. So the short data type ranges from -32768 to 32767. Then we also have the long data type under integers, and then the long is used to represent larger integer values. Example, -214748368 to 214783647. So this is the range of the long data type. Well, you don't need to know all these for now, okay? And you hardly use that range of values. So, but it's good for you to know that integer data type have long and short. So the long range from -2147 4848 3648 3648 to 21474 83647 83647. So this is the range of the long data type under integers. Then we have the floating point data type. Floating point. Data types. So we have the floating point data types, and this is made up of the float and then the double data type. So the floating point, just like the integer, is made up of the float, and the floats are used to represent decimal values with single precision. For example, something like 3 points, like pi, that you use in solving mathematics. 3.14159. This is an example of a float. Okay, and then things like 0.1, 3.4. These are all floats because it has a floating point. Now we have the double, which is also a float. So like this here, float. This is used to represent decimal values with single precision. Then we have double. Then the double data type. The double data type is used to represent decimal values with double precision. So double, and the example of double is used to represent decimal values with single precision, while this one is used to represent decimal values with double precision. So examples of a double will be something like 3.15992.053.89.793. So this will be an example of a double, since it has larger numbers after the decimal place than the floating point. That's just the difference. Now, apart from the integers and the floating point data type, we have the character data type. The char data type. Oh no, this is a floating point. So number 3, we have the character data types. So the character data type is used to represent a single character. These are used to represent a single character. To represent a single character. Examples of char data type will be something like, you will always enclose them in double quotes, in single quotes. If you use double quotes, you're going to get an error in C++. Things like this. Things like /n used to go into new line. These are all character data types. We also have /t. So these are all character data types, right? It's used to represent a single character in C++. Then we have the Boolean data type. Boolean data type. So the Boolean data type are used to represent Boolean value, which is either true or false. All right. Boolean data type is used to represent Boolean value, and these can be either true or false. So guys, we have the Boolean data type here, which can be either true or false. You can say bool x is equal to false. So this is how you can use the Boolean data type. We also have the void data type. Void data type. So this void data type is used to represent the absence of a type. It is commonly used to represent function that returns no value. You know, when you have a function that returns no value, for example, in Java, you will see something like a void. You know, you will use a void data type. So it's used to represent the absence of a type. It is commonly used to represent functions that return no value. So this is the void data type. Apart from these basic data types, we have more advanced data types like arrays, pointers, and structures. So we have more advanced data types like arrays, more advanced data types like arrays, pointers, and structures. So these are the more advanced data types, but for now we're not going to be talking about these ones, but further down the line in this lecture series we're going to talk about it. So what we have discussed today is that we have the integer type, which is, you know, -10, 0, 4, you know, is the ones you're going to be using all the time, and it ranges from the short type of integer ranges from -2, 32768 to 32767, and the long ranges from -2174 83648 to 2174 83647. Then we have floating points data type, and these floating points data type have the float, you know, and this float is used to represent decimal values with the single precision, and then the double is used to represent decimal values with double precision. The character data type is used to represent single characters. Example of character data type is something like A, this one, /n/t. These are all character data types. Then we have Boolean data types, which represent Boolean values. This can either be true or false. Then the void data type. These are used to represent absence of values, commonly used to represent functions. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. Please, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you have questions, put it in the comment section. I'll be there to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. We'll be uploading more videos in coming days. Thank you very much for watching.